Hey there, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 low competition coloring book niches that can make you over $3,000 per month. This is a simple but profitable way to start making money on Amazon KDP, and it's a great way for beginners to start making money online and start their publishing journey because these books are actually not very difficult to make, which means that you can outsource them to be completely done for you. So you don't really need any experience to get started. So if you're a beginner looking to start making an income online, or maybe start a side hustle, or you're looking for a new niche, well then this video is for you. But before that, hey guys, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. And right now we're talking about low and medium content publishing on Amazon KDP. So if this sounds interesting to you, feel free to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a new video. With that being said, let's get started. Now, the first niche we have is the gnome coloring book. And the first thing that you're gonna see is this purple box right here in front of you. This is called Titans Quick View. It comes from Self-Publishing Titans. This is a free extension that you can download. So it'll give you things like the niche score and then a lot more information such as the exact results for this keyword, as well as the bestsellers rank. It gives you averages, lows and highs, the reviews, the average price, and a lot of other cool information. But the very first thing you want to look at are the search results. And right here, we're seeing 756 search results. Now, when I'm doing niche research and trying to validate a niche, I like to look for 3 specific things. Number 1, I like to look for search results that are about 1,000 and below, because this is going to tell me that the competition for a certain keyword or a niche is not so high. Number 2, I like to look for 3 KDP books that are all independently published that have a sales rank of 300,000 or below, because this is going to tell me that there is enough demand for this niche or this keyword and that books are selling. And then number 3, I like to look for a niche score that's provided by the plugin that I use of about 50 and above. So as we can see with the 756 search results for gnome coloring books, that satisfies the 1,000 or below that I'm looking for. So we know that there's not a lot of competition, or the competition is not that great for this certain keyword, which is a good sign. So number 2, we're gonna look for 3 KDP books on the first page that all have a ranking of 300,000 or below. So what I like to do here is I don't look at these sponsored listings, because this is where people pay to get their books on the front page or the first page of a certain keyword. And so these are not organic listings. So I skip these and I look for the first book that doesn't have the sponsored listing, which is this one right here. But as you can see, the publisher, it says Dover Publications. So this is not a KDP book. So we move on to the next book. And how we know if it's a KDP book is if it says independently published, like this one right here, where it says independently published. So we know this is a KDP book, but its sales rank is 379,000. So this is a little bit in the gray area. So I'm going to move on and look at the next one. This one right here is independently published and it has a rank of 295,000. So that's the first book under 300,000. If we scroll some more and look at this one right here, this has a 1 million rank, so that's no good. We have this one right here, independently published, ranking at 28,000. So that's book number 2. We have the next book right next to it. That's ranking at 26,000. That's book number 3. So we've satisfied it, but I also like to keep looking to see if there's even more, because that'll tell me that there's even more demand for this keyword. We have another book at 63,000, this one at 205,000, this one at 96,000, 90,000, 136,000, 155,000, 75,000, 205,000. So we know there's a lot of demand for this niche, which is a very, very good sign. And if we scroll back up and look at the niche score, it basically validates it because it has a high niche score of 69, which is well above the 50 that I'm looking for. Now, if we go ahead and look at one of these books as an example, let's take this book, this Enchanted Gnomes coloring book, ranking at 26,560. As we can see, it has a 4.7 out of 5 rating, which means this is a very good book. It has 189 ratings overall, which means there's a lot of people giving ratings on this book, especially because this book was just published in September of last year, not even a full year. So this is a very popular book. If we look at the description a little bit, we can see that it has 40 illustrations. So it has somewhere around 80 pages, which is it's 88 pages, because typically you're going to put one image on one side of the page and nothing on the back side, and then you'll put your next image on the next page. Now, if we keep scrolling down, we're gonna see the historical BSR for this book. This is for 30 days, so we can see how well this book has been selling. But if we go 60 days, 6 months to a year, we can see the performance of this book. When it was first published in 2023, we can see that it didn't sell for a few days, but since it was Q4, it really took off. And that really established its ranking, because as you can see, this is the all-time low ranking in this area of about 4,000. And it's still doing well, but as you can see, it's not as good as it was last year, but it's still selling very strongly. Now, if we scroll down to try to see if there's any A+ content, we can see here are some interior pages of the book and how it looks like. So if we're trying to compete with it, then we know what kind of images we need to be able to perform better than this book. A little bit more information on the book. And then here are some covers of other books that this publisher sells, which is a good way of introducing your customer or your potential customer into more books that they might be interested in. Now, if we scroll back up and try to look at the inside of the book, we're going to see here is the cover, which is basically just one of the coloring pages that's been colored in. And then if we look at the first page, we can see here's a little bit of a coloring page as well. And then just kind of how the book works. Then if we try to see one of the first pages, the only page that we see is the belongs to page, which looks like this. But then on the back cover, we can see that this is what it could look like after you're finished coloring the book. So it gives the customer a little bit of an idea of how it could turn out. Now, if we go ahead and take the best sellers rank of 26,560 into a sales calculator to see how much it's estimated to be making, we can see that with a best sellers rank of 26,560, 88 pages, and a book price of $7.99, this book is making about 11 sales per day, which equates to 330 sales per month. And in money terms, that's $29 per day and $872 per month. Now, what's great about this niche is that we saw that there were so many KDP books ranking well below the 300,000 BSR. So this really tells us that there's a lot of demand for this niche. And so if we can make a compelling cover, then we can get our books to start selling, because really the cover is what's gonna sell your book. And if we can come up with a design that stands out from the rest, then there's a good chance that our book can do very well. Now, the next niche is the mushroom coloring book. Now, this is a very popular type of coloring book these days, but as we can see with the search results, that it has about 1,000 search results. It's actually 1,266, which is actually kind of surprising knowing just how popular this type of book is right now. Now, if we scroll down to look for some KDP books, what we're gonna see is the vast majority of these books are actually KDP books. We have this one right here ranking in at 88,000. So that's book number 1. This book right here ranking in at 60,000. That's book number 2. This book ranking in at 93,000. That's book number 3. Let's just keep going with it. Here's another book ranked at 240. Another book ranked at 210,000. Another book 216,000, 44,000, 33,000, 231,000, 122,000, 44,000, 107,000, 231,000, 117,000, 178,000, 238,000, 198,000, 97,000, 217,000, and so on and so forth. As you can see, the whole first page of this keyword, of this niche, is filled with books that all rank under 300,000 and below, and with a niche score of 65. This satisfies all 3 of my requirements, so there's good potential to find success and profits in this niche. Now, if we take this book right here as our example, let's go ahead and take a look at it. We can see it has a 4.5 rating out of 5, so that's a very good rating. 20 ratings overall, and it was published December 4, 2023. So about 6 months, almost 6 months now, it's been live. Price of $7.99, and has 25 mushroom designs, so a grand total of 53 pages. So that's not very many pages at all, which when we look inside this book, you're going to see that it's going to be very similar to what a lot of AI art generators can produce. Now, if we scroll down to look at the historical BSR, we can see for the last 30 days, it's been pretty stable. Let's go 90 days, 6 months to a year to 6 months. So we can see from when it first published that it actually started selling right away. And it did really well in February. And then a couple days in April that it didn't really sell, but then it's back to selling in May. Now, if we scroll down and try to look for some A+ content, we're gonna see here is a page of the interior. So as you can see, it's just a mushroom with a lot of lines just for coloring. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it looks like this was generated from AI, which is perfectly fine. As long as you can get AI to create you very solid lines, there's nothing wrong with using them. And then if we scroll down some more, here are some of the other books that this publisher has. And so, like I said, this is a good way of cross-selling your customer and your potential customer into more of the books that you have for sale. Now, if we go up and try to look at the inside of the book, we're going to see a cover that's very simple. It's the interior of the page that's just been colored in. Very, very simple font. And then here's the first page. And that's pretty much it. But there are some interior samples here on the back cover. So as we can see, this is the type of interior that we're competing with if we're going to be creating a book for this niche. And so it's always good to check out your competitors so you know what you have to do to outcompete them. Now, if we go ahead and take its bestsellers rank of 33,709 and put it into a sales calculator to see how much it's estimated to be making, we're going to see that with a price point of $7.99, it profits $2.64 per sale, just like the previous book. It has 53 pages. So that equates to 9 sales per day or 270 sales per month, which in money terms, that's $23 a day or $713 per month. Now, the biggest thing here is to really focus on your cover because the interiors of this niche, just like the previous niche, is all going to be very similar. So what's really going to sell your book is going to be if you can create a compelling cover and a cover that stands out so that people are attracted to it more so than your competitors, so that you can get that sale. Now, our last niche is called the swear word coloring book for teachers. And the first thing that we see is that it has 423 search results. So if we go look down the listings here for some KDP books, we can see the first one right here is a KDP book ranking in at 15,000. So that's book number 1. We have book number 2, the very next book at 48,000. The very next book after that is a KDP book, 48,000. And then we have the next book at 184,000. So that's already book number 4, and so on and so forth. So we know that there is demand for this niche. And if we look at the niche score of 60, that's above the 50 that we're looking for. So we know there's potential for some profits in this niche. Now let's go ahead and check out this book right here. So as we can see, it has a 15,144 ranking. It was published back in 2020, so it's been live for a couple of years now. It has a 4.5 out of 5 rating with 777 ratings overall. And if we look down here, it says it contains 20 hilarious uncensored swear words, including F words, C words, etc. So just keep in mind, if you're going to be making this type of book, that you will not be able to use KDP ads because it uses vulgar language. Believe me, I've tried, and every time I try to run an ad, it gets rejected. So just know that if you're going to create a book in this niche, you're really going to have to work on your title, your subtitle, those back-end keywords, and the cover design. Now, if we look at the historical BSR, we can see for the last 30 days how well it's performing. Let's go 90 days, 6 months, to a year. We can see that it's pretty stable. And then if we do all time, we can see that the book is actually selling very, very strong for a number of years now. So that's very, very good. Now let's check if there's any A+ content. This is one of the interiors. So as you can see, mandalas and patterns, funny swearing, and then stress relief. And then here's another interior right here. And honestly, you can find a lot of these on Creative Fabrica, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. But here are some of the publisher's other books, which once again is a really good place to cross-sell customers into buying more of your books. So it's always recommended that you create A+ content. So if you don't know how to make A+ content, click somewhere around the video right now, or I'll leave the description down below to my video on how to create A+ content, because you need to start doing this if you haven't, because this will increase your sales. Now, if we take the bestsellers rank of 15,144 and put it into a sales calculator to see how much it's estimated to be making, we're going to see that with a price of $7.99, which this is the price point for these types of coloring books, profit of $2.64 per book, has about 46 pages. So that's 18 sales a day, 540 sales per month, which equals $47 per day and $1,427 per month. So for example, if these were your 3 books, you would be making $3,012 per month in monthly passive royalties. Now, if you want to see an in-depth tutorial for the interiors for any one of these niches, let me know which one you'd like to see in the comments down below. But if you want a more easy done for you solution, you could always go to a site like Creative Fabrica. As you can see, here are the swear words coloring book interiors from Creative Fabrica. There's a lot here to choose from. You could basically mix and match these interiors until you built an interior that's a little bit different, instead of just uploading the interiors as you see them here. Same goes for the mushroom coloring book. As you can see, there's a whole lot of interiors here on Creative Fabrica, as well as the gnome coloring pages. Here are a bunch for you to choose from to build a book that's suitable to your liking and to whoever you are targeting. So if you're interested in checking out Creative Fabrica for yourself, I'll leave my link down below. It's usually $347 per year for the yearly all access, which gives you access to pretty much everything that they have. I mean, they have millions and millions of elements, interiors, and access to their AI art generator. But if you go ahead and sign up today, it's going to be $47 for the year, which equates to about $3.99 every month, which is actually a really good deal. So if you want to check it out, feel free. The link is down below. Now, if you want something that is truly 100% done for you, well, you can always hire someone on Fiverr. So here I searched for KDP coloring book. And as we can see, there's a bunch of gigs here to create these coloring pages. So really all you would have to do is just look through these gigs and find one that's highly rated and find one that you think can complete the type of book that you want. And for example, let's go ahead and click on this one right here. And here are some of the interiors that this person makes. And so for 10 pages, it's $5. 30 pages is $40, which is basically what you'll need. And then premium, which is probably good enough to make 2 books, is going to be $50. So for $50, you can make 2 books. So that's basically $25 a book. That's not really that bad. And the great thing about this gig is that it already includes the book cover and it's print ready for KDP with commercial use. So all you'd have to do is wait for the book to be completed and then go to Amazon KDP, upload your book, hit publish, and then it's live. Well, there you have it. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and hopefully you're able to implement it into your low and medium content publishing on Amazon KDP. If you have any questions, let me know down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a new video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.